Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold prices can move tomorrow as well as what is the price of gold moving today. See, as I've already suggested in my last video that if the price of gold go crossed downside 1826, then we can expect a level of 1818, and if it stays below 1818, then with a proper it can touch a level of 1811 and then 1800 to 1792 and then 1785, which is a strong support which have not broken for so long. So if there is chances, if it goes below this level, then we can expect a more downtrend. Okay, while what I've suggested in my last video also, if it goes above 1818 and stays there for some time, then and if it goes above 1819, then we can expect a level of 1826, and if it goes above that, then we can expect a level of 1835, and which is 1835, which is a very strong resistance once it crossed upside. And once 1835 stays above, the gold price stays above this level for some time, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 1842 to 1848. Okay, and then once 1848 is touched, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 1856. Okay, so and this in the same way, if 1856 is stays there and gold price stays there for some time, and then we can expect it can touch a level of 1862 to 1864. Okay, so so what we can do today in this, I would suggest how the market is moving today. See, as I've already suggested that if the price will go up this way, then it cannot go like this straight. It has to hold for some time and then it will go up. In the same way, if the price of gold goes this way, it will hold for some time, then it will go up. In the same way, if it has to come down, then what it will do, it will come down, hold for some time, and then it will come down, or it will come down, make a double pattern, and then it will come down. In the same way, if it has to go up, what it will do, it will go up, then make this is the pattern where it shows that the trend has changed. Okay, because this point is not broken, so there is high chances. This is what you have to learn in this. Okay, so now what you have to understand at this level. See, now what the price of gold is moving in this particular range. Okay, once this range is broken, as you can see, this range is broken here. Okay, and then the market is in this again. So once this range again is broken, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 1811. I've already suggested that after this 18, if once crossed, then we can expect a level of 1811 to 1812. So now what I would suggest you, that the price of the gold is moving in this particular range. So once the if it stays above, if it stays below 1818 for some time, then we can expect, if it's come around 1817 to 1816, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1812 to 1811. Okay, and we can see the trend also. See, the gold price is in this particular range. Okay, this range is broken and then it came this way, and now if this range is broken, that means if 1816 is cross downside, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1812 or 1811. So this what you have to understand. This I will show you this chart for today. Okay, now what the chart of gold is doing. See, in this particular range, so what it is, a range bound, it is called a range bound market. Okay, where the price move in the particular range, and see, after breaking the range, it went down and taking this as a support level 1816. Once this level is crossed 1816, then we can expect it can 12 to 1811, it can touch a level of 1812 to 1811. Okay, once 1811 is crossed downside, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1806 to 1804. Okay, so now what you have to understand in this. See, what you are see, if you look at this chart, what the you have to understand this, that this range is for a longer period. Okay, see, what you 15 from 15 Feb today, okay, to 14, around 4 hours. Okay, so this I'm making this video at this point time. Okay, so what if you have any doubt regarding your position in gold or forex, you can mail me at Stock Market Trading Live, and I can provide you some solution, but that will be my personal solution. You can consult your financial advisor before investing. See, at this point, this 18 in this particular range, okay, the market was in this particular, the gold price in this particular range to 16 at this. Once this range is broken, we can expect it can touch a level of 1811 if cross downside, but if it crosses upside, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1821. Okay, if the level 1820 is crossed, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1821, plus if it goes above this level, then it can touch a level of 1825 to 1826. Okay, once 1826, I'm telling for today, once if 1826 is crossed, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1835, the next target. Okay, so what you have to understand is this: you have to understand that the price of gold is moving in this particular range, so it is a range bound market. So once this range is broken, then we can expect a good buy if it moves above today. If it moves above 1820, then we can expect a good upside movement. Okay, then we can expect a good upside movement. Or if it cross downside below 1816, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1811, or we can expect more further down to 18.8 or 18.06. And I have told in my last video what are the range it can go downside. Please, for if you like, you can check my videos. Okay, so what this is what you have to understand, that one has to be in proper SL, because what people do is that they keep on trailing SL in a negative way. Suppose they are earning $100, what they keep doing is they don't book the $100 profit. They try to make it $120. It is okay to wait in the profit segment, but once you are in $100 profit, once $100 profit comes to $80, then you should book your profit so that you can take home $80. Otherwise, what happen if you over trade, then there is possibility you can make a loss of $100. You will lose that $100 and make again some loss. So what I would suggest you, that if you are in profit, then you should book your profit for the day. Or if you are holding for, suppose you are a short-term trader, then you should, or intraday trader, then you should book your profit. If you are long, then I would suggest you can buy at any dip, because if the price of gold goes 3 to 5 years or 10 years, then the price of gold can go high. Okay, this is only the range, the market, the gold price in this range. Otherwise, the price of gold has come so high for all these years. If you wait for 3 to 5 to 8 years, then the price of gold can touch even higher. So I would suggest, if you're a long-term investor, then go for buying gold. Okay, but that will be my personal view. For intraday and short-term trade, I would suggest the range I have provided. Please do it with proper SL, because you should not be carrying so much of negative position, because everybody trader should always move out in profit, because if you are you can do risk management properly, then definitely you can make money. Okay, hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Or if you have any doubt, please mail me at Stock Market Trading Live, where we can discuss. Or if you want me to make a workshop for you, or if you want to attend my workshop, please mail me. I do one-on-one workshops. Okay, thank you.